In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a restaurant menu on Canva. So from the home page in the search bar, just go ahead and type in menu. You can then choose the size of your menu, click on the one that you like, scroll down, and you'll find some options there that you can choose from, or you can go into a blank menu. From here, you'll find some templates. It even already gives you a default for a food menu, but we obviously want a restaurant menu. So let's go ahead and click restaurant. And here you'll have loads of different options to choose from. Find one that you like the look of. I'm going to go with this one, and then add it by clicking on it. You can obviously then make the necessary adjustments. If you want it to be a multiple page menu, just go ahead and click the duplicate page button here. And then you should have 2 pages. You can change the colors of the images, or you can completely change the images that you're seeing to other nature things if that's your vibe. Just clicking on them, pulling them in there, removing these ones, changing the font, and doing whatever you like. If you want to have that template and also have a menu cover, what you can do is duplicate the page and then just remove everything on it. So I'm just going to highlight everything, remove, click here, change the background, add some text. Let's just call it the Nature Cafe menu. And then when you download it, so that's put that there. So if you want to make sure that's at the front, just use these little arrows, move that up. And there you have your menu to edit and use however you like.